Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Daphne and today we're doing a very exciting video. As you guys can see by the title, today we are DIYing, upcycling, restoring this old cabinet into a drinks cabinet. This is a regular kitchen cabinet. I'm not sure exactly what type of wood it is, but it's not MDF because it's actually quite heavy, so I'm guessing it's a solid piece of wood. And I will throw in some inspiration I found on Pinterest to show you guys what I'm going for. And I'm going for this sort of mid-century style. I want to create some texture with a few geometric shapes on the doors, change the knobs and the legs, and I also want to add a surface on top, like a countertop, where the drinks and the glasses will sit on, and also to create some contrast with the rest of the cabinet because I will be painting that a sort of olive green color, and I think it would look really cute and complete with some wooden features. The wooden surface I will be using is the IKEA Ekbacken worktop, and the reason why I'm using that is because my sister recently renovated her kitchen and she had some worktop left. So that's the only reason why I'm using that. If I didn't have that, I would use a solid piece of wood about 2 to 4 centimeters thick. This one is 3.8 centimeters thick, and just stain it. And to create some geometric texture on the doors, I will be adding some pieces of wood on the outline, and I will throw in the dimensions somewhere on the screen, and also some thinner pieces of wood in the middle. My only worry is that because the doors are sitting on the exterior of the cabinet, that with the added pieces of wood on the door, it will make them look a little bit bulky and messy, and that's another reason why I'm adding the worktop, so that it hides the edges of the door, and hopefully you won't be able to tell, also because one of the sides is looking at a corner, so only one side is actually exposed, so hopefully that won't be too bad. I have been working on this idea for 2 months now, and I'm so excited to finally do it and see my vision come to life. I can't wait to see the final result, and I've never made anything like that before, so if I can do it, you guys can definitely do it too. So first I am going to remove the doors and the handles and the legs and also the shelf that's inside the cabinet, and then I'm going to sand it down, and luckily it's in excellent shape, so it doesn't need any retouching. And then I'm going to add the wooden pieces on the doors, and then I'm going to paint this olive green color. The paint I will be using is from Vitex, and it's an eco paint for wood, and the color I'm using is called LMA871. That's a very representative name for paint. And I will not be painting the top of the cabinet because the countertop will sit on it anyway. And then I will add the legs, the new doorknobs, and yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and get started. for the base coat now. I've actually decided not to paint underneath either, but I've put 2 pieces of wood to elevate the cabinet a little bit to make sure that all the edges are done properly, and also to make sure that I don't paint the floor. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the same on the shelf and the doors. I'm going to put a piece of wood on the floor and elevate them a little bit. Now I'm just going to put the base coat on top. So let's go ahead and do that. Sure no one wants to see me painting any longer, so let's go ahead and apply the 3rd coat in 3, 2, 1. So 3rd coat is on. I think I'm gonna go ahead and apply a 4th layer as well, just because I think it will complete it, and it's quite sticky in some parts, so I think that will definitely help it. So let's go ahead and do that. So the legs that we'll be using for this cabinet are these wooden tilted legs, and they actually match the countertop, but I want them to also match the doorknobs, and the knobs that we'll be using are these hexagon shaped doorknobs. I think they're so pretty, and I would really love the legs to have some golden features. So I'm going to add a line here of golden spray paint, and hopefully these two will match.
Crisp, yes.
They're actually quite good. Okay, so now that the countertop is cut and ready to go, there's one last thing I need to do, and that is to attach a laminated strip. The strip I found is not the exact same one, because I went to IKEA and they don't sell individual strips for kitchen worktops. So I got one from another store, and it's not the exact same one, but I think it's pretty close. So let's go ahead and try this one out. So now I'm ready to attach the worktop, and I will do that off camera with some construction adhesive, and you guys will see the final result in 3, 2, 1. And that, you guys, completes our furniture flip from a regular kitchen cabinet to a modern farmhouse / mid-century modern drinks cabinet, and I absolutely love how it turned out. I guess the only thing that I did not particularly like is the quality of the paint I used. So let me know in the comment section down below what paint you prefer to use on furniture. I've heard that chalk paint is very easy to work with, but also you need to maintain your furniture with some wax once a year, and that's why I'm a little bit reluctant. But yeah, despite that, I love everything about it. I love the color, I love the contrast with the wooden countertop, and also how the golden features complement the green and the wood. I also love how the doors turned out. They give texture to the space. And also, you guys, I woke up this morning and I walked into the living room and I saw this in the corner, and I just cannot grasp the fact that I did that. It looks like a high-end piece, and the whole living room has such a different and upgraded vibe. And I find this such a great and productive way to fill up your time and freshen up your home, especially now that we spend so much time in it. And I think it's important to feel cozy and comfortable and be surrounded by furniture you like, because even something so small can brighten up your mood. So don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you like this video, and also please share it with your friends and family, or those who think would enjoy such thrift flip. It would mean so much to me, and hopefully to you too, guys. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click on the notification bell so you get notified when a new video comes up. And yeah, I guess that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!